Okay, for the last part of this lab, what we're going to do is we're going to take our reactants, okay, that we just constructed, and we're going to use those exact same blocks and just rearrange them and see if we have enough to complete the products, okay, of photosynthesis. So I'm going to kind of take that reactant label and put it over here. Again, reactants are on the left side of the yield sign in a chemical equation, and we're going to construct the products. So let's just actually write out what the products are. So again, carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chloroplast is going to yield glucose. The chemical formula for glucose is C6H12O6. So there's 6 carbon atoms, there's 12 hydrogen, and there's 6 oxygen atoms. And there's just one molecule of glucose that is going to be produced. And then we're going to have 6 oxygen molecules that are produced. And again, each oxygen molecule is going to be made up of 2 oxygen atoms chemically bonded together. Okay, so we're going to need to take these molecules, these atoms, and rearrange them and make the products of photosynthesis. Okay, we might as well start with C6H12O6. So C6, it's going to be the 6 carbon. Again, carbon was represented by black. So I'm going to take those. Those are all, it's one molecule. So they all need to be connected together. I'm just going to kind of line them up next to one another. Okay, C6H12, so we need 12 hydrogen atoms, and if you reference your key, the yellow represented the hydrogen again, so that was 6, so let me line up 6 yellow. Oops, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, yep, that was 6. There we go. So 6, we need 6 more. C6, H12, O6. The red was the oxygen, so I'm going to take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this should be representing, I've got them all touching our one molecule of glucose. I have left over oxygen and actually 6O2. The red represented oxygen, so these are already set up the way we have them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, those would be our 6 oxygen molecules. I have no more materials left. We didn't need to pick anything else up. Let me kind of move that paper so you guys can see everything that I just put down. Okay, so we've got a glucose molecule and our oxygen molecule. What you're going to want to do now is you're going to want to, on the space provided on your lab sheet, I would like you to color and sketch and label the models that we just made together. Okay. And then after that, you're going to think about the questions on your lab, and did this lab represent the law of conservation of matter?